Okay, the next page I want to update is the Hobbies page. So first with this page, I'm going to go ahead and change the main header image. And then down in the text area, or content area, I'm going to go ahead and add an aside, which is essentially going to act just like a sidebar. And I'm going to add an unordered list within it with some of my favorite hobbies. So first, let me select this main image at the top and go down to my properties area, click on the folder icon next to the image. I'm going to go ahead and select the image that I made for this page. Go ahead and hit open. So you can see that that image replaced the earlier image, and it looks good. So I'm going to go down the content area, add in my cursor before the first line of paragraph text, and then over here in the insert structure area, I'm going to click aside. Insert at insertion point is fine for this. ID, I'm going to go ahead and call it sidebar, and then I'm going to click new CSS rule. So I just want to double check here again and make sure that I'm adding to my styles.css external style sheet file. Go ahead and hit OK. And then I want to add a couple quick things to style this. So I'm going to click on category box. Width, I want to go ahead and set it 30%. And then height, I'm going to go ahead and just set it 100%. And for float, I'm going to go ahead and float this to the left, or excuse me, yes, float this to the left. On the last page, on the About page, I floated to the right, so let's go ahead and do that right here. And click through and go ahead and hit OK. And now I have my aside right here. So I'm just going to list out a few of my favorite hobbies. So running. And I know this needs to be an unordered list because that's how I want to set it up. So after I type running, I'm going to go over in the insert area and click unordered list. You can see it added that bullet point for us, and go ahead and hit return again. Golf, cooking, and watching baseball. So remember that just the only difference between an ordered and an unordered list is that we'll add numbers. So if I switch this to an ordered list, we get 1 through 4. But for this, I'm not really ranking anything, so I'm just going to keep it as an unordered list. I'm going to take out a little bit of this paragraph text because, like I said before, this is really just a placeholder for us. But this could be something, if you did have a hobbies page, you could go ahead and add some more text about, you know, some other things you like to do, or maybe links off to some of your other favorite hobbies or different things like that.